can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin Near Protocol. Near Protocol is up 11% in the last 24 hours. It's up 52% over the last 1 week. The last 1 month has seen Near Protocol rally up by 29%. There's a resurrection in the altcoin market. Altcoins are coming back from the dead. Altcoins are pumping on a daily, on a weekly time frame. How high can Near Protocol go in the coming days and coming weeks? Currently trading around the $3 level. Near Protocol has a fully diluted market cap of $3.96 billion. And in this video, we look at Near Protocol's valuation against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. We also look at Near Protocol's valuation against the king of the market, Bitcoin. Near Protocol's valuation against Ethereum. Also look at Near Protocol's market cap. What will it take for it to get to new all-time highs? How high can we go if we see Bitcoin dominance dumping? And why is sentiment in the cryptocurrency market still down? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Near Protocol is having a great time. Got into a market cap for around $4 billion. Near Protocol, over the last few days, has been rallying slowly but surely to higher prices. The all-time high for Near Protocol happened on the 16th of January 2022. 4 years ago, we said Near Protocol trading around the $20 level. Right now, it's down 85% from its all-time highs. If you look at Near Protocol's US dollar valuation, it's been a very, very long journey, guys. In 2022, Near Protocol was trading around $20. Then we had a big decline in 2023 and the early parts of 2024. And even when Near Protocol pumped in 2024, we could only rally to as high as the $8 level. And since that $8 level in 2024, Near Protocol has returned most of those gains, finding the bottom back at the $1.7 level. That's an 80% dump, and it took 600 days for that dump to be completed. Right now, as Near Protocol has started to show signs of life, started to show we want to pump to the moon. Where are those key levels where we might face rejection on our way to higher prices? One of those important levels definitely is going to be the $8 level. The $8 level is where we saw Near Protocol getting rejected in March of 2024. I'll not be shocked if we rally to the $8 level and we take a chill pill. Maybe we take 1 or 2 days to calm down there. But before we even get to $8 level, one critical level to pay attention to will be around that $5.5 level. Near Protocol could easily just retrace back to the $5.5 level to get a lot of market participants hooked in, and then we dump back to Goblin Town. But I'm very, very optimistic, guys, that the next few weeks is going to be positive for the altcoin market. The next few weeks probably is when we see that Altseason we have all been waiting for. Altseason here, Altseason there. But usually Altseason happens in the final days of the cryptocurrency market cycle. When Altseason happens, the game is over. When Altseason happens, pack your bag and go home. A big, big decline is around the corner. Altcoins will just pump aggressively in the middle of a cycle. Maybe they have done that in the past, but I strongly believe when the altcoins start giving us double-digit gains, start outperforming Bitcoin on a daily time frame, weekly time frame, and a monthly time frame, you have to be very, very careful. You have to be ready to run for the hills, because at any point in time, that decline to Goblin Town can begin. Now, if Near Protocol have to set new all-time highs, we still have a lot of work to do. Never say never in the altcoin market. Things can move very, very quickly. From where we're currently trading, for Near Protocol to rally back to that $20 level, we need to see around a 560% pump to the upside. This can happen very, very quickly. When the rally begins, there's going to be a lot of FOMO in the cryptocurrency market, because right now vibes are down in the market. Bitcoin above $100,000, Ethereum above $3,600, Zcash, Uniswap, RV, Render, all having double-digit gains, but there's still fear in the market. Why is there fear in the market? If we're seeing altcoins give us double-digit gains on a weekly time frame, on a daily time frame, it's because a lot of market participants are used to only Bitcoin pumping. Throughout this cycle, we have seen market participants over-index on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has been going sideways for the last 6 months around the $100,000 range. In the coming days and coming weeks, I expect to see market participants consciously start running to the altcoin market. Right now, smart players have run to the altcoin market. Retail investors have run back to Bitcoin because of what happened on the 10th of October 2025. I expect the exchange to begin where smart players start selling their altcoins in huge profit back to retail investors, while retail investors start selling their Bitcoin for a loss, start buying the altcoins that they sold just some few weeks ago, start buying them at higher prices, eventually holding the bag. You don't want to hold the bag, guys. You want to be one of those smart players that buy when the prices are low and sell when the prices are high. You want to buy when there's fear in the cryptocurrency market, and you want to sell when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. and greed will slowly return, because if you look at sentiment right now, we had extreme fear yesterday, we have fear, but on the 5th of October of 2025, there was greed in the market. Bitcoin was an all-time highs. We're all singing kumbaya. It looked like none of these altcoins were ever going to pump, and that was the best time to get these altcoins, because if you go back to the chart and you ask yourself, what if I flipped my Bitcoin into the altcoin market on the 5th of October 2025? You might not have gotten the bottom, guys, but right now you'll be singing kumbaya, as many altcoins you have bought would have had a bounce, they would have had a pump. For Near Protocol is up at 6%. We expect it to continue pumping the next few days and the next few weeks. A lot of these altcoins are going to go on parabolic runs, because a lot of market participants are going to FOMO into these altcoins. You have to think like the retail investor that bought Bitcoin over the last 6 months, and Bitcoin has been ranging, and right now he's seeing altcoins go up 32% in 24 hours, 28% in 24 hours. We even have seen Decred rally up by 67% in 24 hours. That's going to cause a lot of FOMO in the market. That's going to cause a lot of weak hands to sell their Bitcoin, to run to the altcoin market. And don't be shocked to see Near Protocol outperforming Bitcoin, Near Protocol outperforming Ethereum. There's always that period in time where we see altcoins outperforming both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Look at what Near Protocol did in 2021. When it started outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum, we saw it pumping till January of 2022, outperforming Ethereum by more than 600%. But after that pump, a huge decline to Goblin Town began. We saw Near Protocol losing more than 89% of its value against Ethereum. I'm expecting a similar scenario. Maybe we don't get to new all-time highs for Near Protocol against Ethereum, but I'll be expecting Near Protocol to outperform Bitcoin. I'll be expecting Near Protocol to outperform Ethereum in the coming days and the coming weeks. A 200 to a 300% pump to the upside is possible. If you look at Near Protocol's performance against the US dollar, for it to get to new all-time highs, we just need to see Near Protocol pull up around a 500% move to the upside, which a lot of altcoins can do in a space of a week. Now, the most important chart for Near Protocol will be Near Protocol's market cap. The market cap sits around the $3.8 billion level, and we have seen that around the $9.5 to the $10 billion level proves like to be the line in the sand where it's hard for us to pass. We have gotten there twice, getting rejected. Right now, I expect Near Protocol to blast through that market cap region. Maybe we'll find difficulty around the $12 billion level. If not, we're going to get to price discovery. We might see Near Protocol's market cap cross the 10, 12, 15, 20. Only God knows how high it will go. But one thing is sure, guys, the higher it goes, the riskier it becomes. The higher it goes, the more you want to sell for some sweet profit. Bitcoin dominance should be dumping anytime soon down to Goblin Town. That will help the altcoins in the cryptocurrency market to pump. Bitcoin dominance dumping, altcoins pumping. That's what we call Altseason. But again, that's usually the end of the market cycle. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying more Near Protocol right now? How high do you see Near Protocol going in the coming days and the coming weeks? More importantly, when will you be selling for some sweet profits? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.